Today are world famous foods with Mr. Nez. Oven baked tandoori chicken. Let's cook. Okay, so we're gonna do our marinade. Some yogurt. Turmeric. A little bit of cayenne pepper, give it a little bit of heat. Got some lemon juice, some ginger, garlic, a little bit of paprika, gonna use some parsley. We substituted that for the cilantro. Some cinnamon, and some cumin, and a little bit of salt. And mix this all up. Oh yes, oh yes. Another recipe for world famous foods. Okay, so we added some more yogurt because it wasn't enough. Now we're gonna add some avocado oil. If you want to use vegetable, that's fine, but I'd rather avocado oil. Just mix this up. Move on to the next step. Okay, so our chicken breasts are cleaned. Try and cut off most of that fat. We're going to just make some slits in here. Then we're going to put this in the marinade. Marinate them overnight. See that? Just have to let good old marinade can go right in there, make it a whole lot easier. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put our chicken in the marinade. Use our hands here, get that marinade all parts of the chicken. It's got a really good aroma to it also. Okay, I'm gonna cover this, let it marinate overnight. All right, so our chicken was marinated overnight. It's time to bake. Gonna bake this at 450 Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it and bake it for another 10 minutes. Okay, got to put this in the oven. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's flip these. Then we're going to cook them for another 10 minutes. And carry on. Okay. Back in the oven. Okay, now we're gonna baste our chicken with some butter. We're gonna cook them now for 20 minutes per side. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now it's time to flip these Baste them with butter and cook them for another 20 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. Just flip them. Smells so wonderful. Tandoori chicken by world famous foods. Okay. All right, folks, here we are. Last 20 minutes. Look at this. Tandoori chicken, world famous food style. Wow. Smell is amazing. Time to plate this, and I'll show you guys the finished product in a minute. All right, folks, here we go. Here's our finished product. We got some white rice. We got some naan bread to go with this. Look at this. World famous foods, tandoori chicken in the oven. Time to enjoy.